Okay guys, I got a good one for you here. This Ray's Repair Zone. Got a customer brought in an old Russian motorcycle. I think it's a 1973. They say it's a IZH Jupiter 3. Here we go, and they had it at one place. They couldn't get it to go. They brought it to me. I worked on it most of the day. I set the points, did the carb. I did a bunch of wiring on it, and I still got more to go, but here is this little sucker. It's kind of a cool, looks like an old Harley, you know, the war style Harley. I don't even know what you call them, but this is a 2-stroke 350. Kind of a unique machine. 6-volt system. I'm going to give it a start here just so you guys could hear that sucker run. There's the emblem on it. To me it looks like a bunch of H's, but who knows? I can't read Russian, so everything on the bike says made in Russia or USSR. Like in the tire, hopefully we can find it now. It'll be upside down, but right here. Made in USSR. Got some Russian writing on it too. That's upside down, but kind of a unique thing. The key switch is right on the light, which is kind of strange, but if you push it down and turn it to the right, then your lights come on. And if you turn it to the left, you run it without lights. I guess that's the way that works. But then you could pull it out too. I'm not really sure what the heck that's all about. The horn kind of sounds different. Well, listen to this one. Oh, maybe I gotta push it in. It's a little different sounding horn. This here is a choke. Looks like a bicycle shifter for gears. This here is your high and low, high beam, low beam. Over here is your horn and your and your flashers, I think. Or not your flashers, but your signal lights. Or is it this other side? Oh, I don't remember now. I guess that's not working right now. I had it going, but I'm not sure which is what here anymore. But I'm going to give it a start here. You kickstart the sucker too. And there's a 6-volt battery, but not much for electric starter. Here we go. See if I can do this. It's going to make a hell of a mess here. Or noise, maybe. I guess you pull it up and it quits. That's the way it works. But there you go. Probably something you haven't seen here. I worked on bikes and everything for, since I was 12 or even younger, and I've never seen one of these bikes. All right, hope you enjoyed this one. Kind of different. You guys comment, and kind of curious to see if anybody else actually have seen something like this before. I'm in Canada. All right, hope you enjoyed it.